What we are trying to do is make the motor run.
It's a tornado.
No, she doesn't want to. She doesn't want to. Watch, look.
Guys, check out ours. Look at that.
No,
Plug it back in. Liam.
Yeah.
Liam. It's huge. Look at it. We've got 2 pieces of paper.
Oh, good.
Wait, watch. Look. That's spinning. Piece of paper.
We've got. Oh. Oh. I fell in it. So here's my schematic drawing, and this battery, the battery right here. This is a plus sign, and it's traveling all the way. The wire, it goes to the switch. The back side goes all the way to the motor, and the motor goes to the switch. So this switch is supposed to go right there, and that's how it turns on. So my schematic diagram, this is what I wrote. The motor ran when the circuit was closed. And so it actually did. So yeah. But Blake, and that's Blake, and he's cleaning out his desk. Here's my teacher, Mr. Smith, and everybody. Thank you.